In this video, I will show you how to chat with a pet in Widgetable. So let's jump straight into it. Now, in order to do this, of course, you're going to want to open up the app on your device first of all, and you want to come across to your pet screen. So as you can see, I've currently got 3 different pets available, and to actually chat with any of these, what you want to do is press onto the pet you want to chat with, and in the top right hand corner, there will be a button to chat. Now, because I'm on an Android device, Android doesn't currently have this feature. So this feature was actually released quite recently in August. It's still in beta version at the moment. So you can do this if you've got an iPhone, but it's not yet available on Android. So if you do have an iPhone, I'll just put a picture up now. And as you can see in the top right hand corner, you're going to see this little icon here where you can press onto it. And it's basically like an AI chat sort of thing that you can do with your pet. So that's how to go ahead and chat with a pet in Widgetable. I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.